In today's video, we're going to tackle an interesting data problem that often arises in data analysis scenarios. The main issue at hand involves a situation where a question already has answers available, but we need to manipulate the data further to extract valuable insights. Now let's dive into the solution for this specific problem. The key to solving this lies in utilizing the Pandas library and its handy function, pivot. By applying the provided code snippet, we can effectively pivot the data based on the firm, year, and report page columns, while extracting and renaming the respective value1 values. This process enables us to restructure the data in a more meaningful way, ultimately making it easier to analyze and interpret. In summary, by implementing the pandas.pivot function with the specified parameters and subsequent data manipulation steps, we successfully address the initial problem of organizing and presenting the existing data in a more insightful manner. I hope you found this explanation helpful and informative. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any data-related jokes you might have. Happy analyzing!